Hey guys, this is Kirtivasan here. Today I'm going to explain my mini project, which is the real-time medical PPE detection in surgeries using MediaPipe. So let me explain my code every part by part. Let's look at the code now. Firstly, I have imported all the necessary libraries. Firstly, I have imported the CV2, which is used for operating the camera. Then MediaPipe is for landmarking on the face and hand. The NumPy is for basic calculations, which I have used for calculating confidence score. Then next to it, we are detecting whether there is a face inside the bounding box. I have created a bounding box using some code. Inside the code, we are detecting whether there is a face first of all, and then we are landmarking on the face. Mm, then firstly, I have setting my confidence score for face detection as well as for hands, for the bare hands without any gloves. Then in this part of code you can see model selection of for face. I have set it as one because there is only one face. In coming to the hands, I'm taking it as two because we have to detect it for both the hands. Then and also this I've set the minimum confidence for face detection and hand detection. So here we have set the color ranges for the mask as well as for the gloves. These colors were simply the which surgeons mainly used, like blue, green, pink. That's it. Uh, Same for gloves, all the shades of blue, green, and pink. Then here comes the main logic of the entire model, which detect the mask. Here I have set the range of interest, which is ROI as 0. Then here we are converting the ROI to ROI formatted data to HSV because MediaPipe can only operate with colors like red, green, and blue, and nothing much other than that. Yeah, this part of code here I have told you about the bounding box, right, for faces for face. What it does is it only takes the lower half of the box. So that's why I've given it as height multiplied by 0.5, because mask is something that we hear about below here, right, below our nose. So for every bounding boxes it is created on the display, it just takes the lower half of the face, but it is not in the case of gloves. It should detect for the whole hand, the entire hand. Then it also combines the colors and edge data, this part of code. I've used the canny edge operation here, which marks the edges of the mask as well as for the gloves, and it is same for the gloves. I've set the range of interest as 0. It takes the entire bounding box. So in this code we'll be having three bounding boxes, two for both the hands and one for the face. And I have used the color ratio as I mentioned before. Then here comes the interesting part of the code. This model takes frame for every millisecond. Like for a second, it will be taking frames, 60 frames per second, which makes it more efficient than other pre-existing models. The quality of the video I have improved with some code. I have color graded. Then I have improved the smoothness of the video quality. Then here we are detecting the real time. Then yeah, this is for the bounding box for hands. This function run detection is for camera index that specifies cameras to use the default camera of my machine, which this opens the camera, it is accesses the camera, mirrors each frame because it will be more convenient for it will be more convenient and comfortable if the video is mirrored, or else our face will be flipped in the sense horizontally. You may not exactly look what you are. So I have mirrored this video. Here's the function call at last. So that's it for the code. I'll be attaching the outputs of the code at the end of the video. Thank you.